Hi people YouTube, this is DJ, I'm here, and we are doing another unboxing thing. This is our family Xbox with Kinect, so yeah, that's pretty much all.
Tammy, did Sarah tell you how happy she was with the Yelpy?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Very happy. So that was my camera.
Oh my god, this is freaking awesome. It's good that I have a knife here. Wait, is this even cut all the way? That would probably be a good thing to do. Jeez, what the? Freak out. Oh wow, really? Really?
What? Jump in? Okay.
Yeah, no, don't jump in there. Like, literally. I don't think you can. Okay, so, I don't know what that is.
I have no idea what that is.
Kinect. I'm guessing that's Kinect right there.
Yeah, I got Kinect. My blanket!
I bet you can guess what this is.
That's the Xbox?
Oh, it's a controller.
Well, duh. Just guessing.
Oh, it's the best one.
Well, here, since yours is better, but okay. Where is it? Where's the controller? Oh, right here. Yay, it's pretty. It's
Memory unit. We're not gonna like sit here and open it all. The game that comes with it, all the cables.
So yeah, that's really cool.
Ouch!
Ow! The knife and the
Pretty much it. Like, comment,
scissors.
subscribe. Peace.